They drift in eternal silence between the crimson deserts of Mars and the stormy giant of Jupiter, an endless cloud of primordial stone and glittering metal. The asteroid belt, a sprawling, celestial graveyard of shattered planets and frozen time. Each of these silent sentinels carries the wealth of worlds, raw, unspoiled, unimaginably ancient. Crystalline veins shimmer like stained glass beneath their rocky skins, and metallic cores pulse with cosmic potential. This is no wasteland, this is the vault of the universe. But getting there? It is nothing short of brutal. Even today in this so-called modern age, we remain tethered to Earth by a hostile gravity well. Our spacecraft groan and heave against the sky, bleeding billions of dollars in fuel, tearing themselves free from the clutches of atmosphere and inertia. Our mining machines are heavy, clunky, built for dirt and rain and gravity. In space, they malfunction, gears freeze, solar panels crack, software falters under cosmic radiation. Precision robotics go blind when shadows stretch for kilometers. And the asteroids themselves? Not solid ground but spinning, tumbling death traps. Microgravity maelstroms where up and down mean nothing, and a wrong move sends your ship into the void. This is the edge of known engineering, the outer limit of human capability. Yet beyond the chaos lies wonder. Buried in these drifting titans are riches too fantastic for earthbound minds to grasp. Imagine beryl crystals the size of tree trunks glowing a ghostly green in vacuum, transparent corundum towers pure as starlight and harder than forged steel, ores laced with ruthenium, rhodium, platinum group elements, the rarest of the rare, formed in the last breath of supernova. Whole asteroids made of glistening nickel-iron alloy like raw metallic planets. Veins of sapphire-colored lithium oxide, cavities filled with shimmering frozen volatiles hiding helium-3, the future fuel of starships and fusion. One mid-sized asteroid just 500 meters across holds more rare metals than all of Earth's known mines combined. We're not talking millions, we're talking trillions in value. A single rock could bankroll a new civilization. Our planet groans beneath our weight. The air grows thick, the oceans warm, the mines run dry, the markets tighten, and still, our hunger grows. To explore space for the sake of dreams is a noble lie. Dreams alone do not build ships, they do not fund expeditions, they do not feed billions. But with profit, everything becomes possible. Orbital fuel stations built from asteroid water, structures crafted from zero-resistance superconductive alloys, light as silk, strong as titanium, crystals grown in vacuum, engineered for quantum computing and faster-than-light communication. We will build not just outposts but habitats, economies, trade routes, entire industries born in the dark between worlds. This is no longer just science fiction, this is the next great industrial revolution, the cosmic harvest. The belt waits, a treasure trove scattered across the stars, not for the timid, not for the cautious, but for the bold, for those ready to risk everything and reshape the future for all mankind. Asteroid mining where dreams and dollars align.